Hello everybody, bonjour tout le monde. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing this face here, hi. It's so good to see you too, even though I can't see your face. You get what I mean, right? My name is Dawn and I am the owner, maker, mama maker of Chez Kwetu. I make Afro Bohemian home decor like this piece right here. It's so gorgeous. I don't want to part away with it. I just put it in my office so I get to enjoy it until it goes to its new home. So yeah, I make Afro Bohemian decor using fabric from the motherland, which is Africa, but I'm originally from Kinshasa. So I don't speak for all African. I don't speak for the entire continent of Africa. I don't even speak for all the Congolese people, but I do like to use the fabric from Africa. It makes me really happy and it's part of my culture and the value that I grew up with. So there we go, all that said and done. I owe you guys, I think, two videos, but you know, we'll make it happen. We'll make do with what we can. And there you go. I'm just being gracious with myself and doing what I can with the time that I have. But today I have a student short video for you guys. It's not about my product or anything like that. I just wanted to talk about something. I mean, this is maybe something that I've seen in African homes, people that African that are around me, is that the day they move in, the decor they move in with is the decor they will still have for like 5, 10 years later. Okay, if you know that person, please tell them your house is not a museum. Okay, you don't have to carry the same decor item for 5, 10 years. I'm not saying, this piece is gorgeous, it's timeless in my opinion. You can change it up every season, every uh I don't know, occasion or such. Change it up, remove it, keep it, store it somewhere nice, put something else, or leave your wall blank and then put it back again. But please don't just hang that there and then 10 years later it's still there. That's what I'm trying to say by your house is not a museum. You do not have to keep permanent exhibitions of pieces. Now, I do understand some pieces are could be challenging to put up and remove and such, and some pieces are just way too beautiful to like move them. Okay, I get that, but in reality of things, your home needs to be updated every so often. So I am here, I have my notes here with some pointers, okay, some tips to help you, give you an idea on how you can tackle that refreshing of your home. Some of them might be cheaper, some of them might require a little bit of, budget, but they are steps that can help you if you didn't know where to start. If you're like, well, okay, Dawn, you are technically literally speaking to my problem. Now, what do I do? Where do I start? I have some pointers. I'm not saying they are all the tips that exist. These are, however, what I've applied and that I've seen working for us and for our home. And best believe our home is nowhere near where it's supposed to be. But by applying these steps one day at a time, one step at a time, I am taking it to where it needs to be for my family and for my own sanity and for myself. Okay, so let's get into this video and see where it takes us. Okay, so my step one into uh, refreshing your home is figure out your decor style. Okay, I mean, if you don't know what you like, what you love, what you don't like, it's gonna be really hard for you to even start looking at your home as a beautiful canvas to work with. Okay, figure out your decor style. If you need to read magazine, if you need to go on the internet, if you need to watch HDTV, which I'm like seriously addicted to, if you need to be inspired, okay, the word here is inspired by your friend's decor. Do anything that you need to find what you love. Do you love patterns? Do you love stuff like this, colors, or do you love more neutral? Do you love glasses, or glasses, I'm trying to say like mirrors. Find out what you love. Do you love it when it's full, like when every single wall in your home has a piece hanging on it or shelves? Do you love plants? find out, ask yourself these questions. Once you find out what you love, then take yourself to step number 2, which is declutter. Okay, declutter your home. If you had pieces that do not fit in your what you love, step 1, get rid of it. Okay, you can get rid of things by selling them to get some extra money, by donating them. Okay, maybe somebody in your family loves it or your friend, give it away. Okay, give it away. Throw things in the garbage too. Okay, sometimes we're so attached to stuff. Oh my god, I don't want to throw it out. Throw it out. Okay, every single thing in this life has a life cycle. Even as human, we die. I'm so sorry to sound insensitive to that, but I'm trying to say that we get things, eventually we need to throw it out because it's done what it needed to be done. If you can't resell it, if you can't give it to anybody, put it in a garbage. It's okay. Okay, step number 3, make a plan. Oh my goodness, do you know how many people just go out there, oh my god, I went to Home Sense or I went to IKEA and then I just bought this? No, don't do that. You know why? Because first of all, you're gonna just find yourself buying stuff left and right. You don't even know what to put in your house. Like, you haven't determined, okay, I want this type of desk or console, or I want a bench at the entrance, but this type of bench. Make a plan. Okay, I like to say make a plan, because first of all, decorating isn't cheap. It doesn't matter if you go thrifting for those decor or you go high end, it is not cheap. $1, $2, $3, it adds up. Okay, it adds up. Make a plan, make a budget, and what did I say? Make a plan of attack. Okay, make a plan of attack. Don't just be going left and right buying stuff, or you're gonna lose track of your finances. You're just gonna be buying things, blah blah blah, and you come in your home and you just put it everywhere, and it's not even coming together. Take the time, plan. Thank me later. Okay, thank me later. You know why I'm insisting on this? Because I used to be that person who would just buy everything and anything that looked beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this, I love this, I love this, I love this, and then I just buy things and I come home, I'm like, oh, here, no, not here, no, here, and then I end up not liking it in my home, or and then now it's like hiding in the garage or somewhere because it just doesn't fit. So make it plain. Okay? Step number 4, start small. Hey, people. Oh my God. Oh my God. I want to refresh my home. I want to do it. Takes everything outside, and then now start small. Okay? Start by painting a wall, your bedroom, maybe your kid's bedroom. Start by painting the half bathroom, maybe. Start small. It's gonna be part of your plan of attack. Plan. Okay, I want to paint my house. I want to paint the living room, the dining room, the basement. Find the colors. Okay, it's part of your plan. Find the colors and start one room at a time. You don't have to paint everything in 1 year. You don't have to paint everything in one summer. If you can, bravo, that's amazing. But if you cannot, it is part of your plan. Eventually, you'll get to it. So plant a room in your house, buy a new rug, to change up the vibes and stuff. Change your curtains, okay? The curtains at the windows, yes, not permanent in the house, okay? If you wanna also, how small can you go? Oh my God, your kitchen handles, like the cabinet handles, change them. It's so easy to change, and there are so many places you can find very cool one. Start small. Be gracious and be patient with yourself. Do it at your pace. Do not be influenced by people. Okay? Your home, your money, your time, your sanity. Just saying. Thank me tomorrow. Okay, the last step is have fun with the process. Sometimes we overthink things and we like rush and blah blah blah. Be patient with yourself. Make room for mistakes, because it will happen. But the good thing is, there is always a solution to a problem. So if you make a mistake, you paint the walls the wrong color, try another color tomorrow. Oh my goodness, it's that easy. Or another solution, if you're not ready to go back into the painting, find decor that will complement that wall. So like your focus is not so much on the wall color, but on the pieces that are complementing it. Okay, you can add a plant, you could, oh my gosh, so many things that you could do, but make room for mistakes. That's what I'm trying to say, because they will happen, and just accept and learn from them. It's a process. Okay, the other thing I want to add before I let you go and all of that is, do not forget, okay, the home you are revamping, you are refreshing, is yours and your loved ones, your family. So it needs to reflect you, the person that you are inside and out. Do not try to copy anybody. Do not try to mimic what somebody did at the home. That is theirs. You do you, and let it reflect your personality, your joy, your journey, your life, your style, how your family likes to interact with one another. Let it reflect that. If your people in your environment, they have so many furniture, if you don't need that in your home, don't be going buying so many furniture just because the other people have so many furniture. It's their lifestyle. It doesn't fit with yours. So do you, okay? Do you. And thank me today. Okay, thank me today. Anyways, I don't want to be talking for so long, and I don't want to make this video crazy long. So these are my 5 tips to helping you refresh your home. Some of them, like I said, cheap, like figure out your decor style. It's cheap, it's free. It just needs a little bit of your time to figure out what you love, what you don't love. But some stuff, once you have a plan in action, requires some spending. So if you need 3 months to save that money, a little bit of money, take the time that you need, save up and do everything right. Okay, so thank you so much for stopping by. Again, my name is Dawn, and I am a maker. I'm a mama maker of beautiful Afro Bohemian decor. So if this is your style, check the description link below. I'm going to leave all my information. And for the entire month of May, I'm giving 20% off to everything in my store. So everything that's still available, if you wanted 20% off, I'll leave the code down below as well. So if you want to know what I do on a daily basis, also follow me on Instagram, because that's where I share all my tips. Like tips like this, I share them often on my Instagram, okay? But now I have to come here and do a video to share these as well. But I do it with a happy heart, and it's really what I love to do. So go out there, express yourself, be who you are, and don't let anybody tell you otherwise. So I appreciate you, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for stopping by. Goodbye. I'm gonna go get my son because he's hot. Oh.